in Chattanooga have been enforcing all kinds of guidelines to limit the spread of COVID-19 since school went back in session. And now it's time to see whether or not those are working. Good evening. I'm Latricia Thomas.
And I'm Josh Rowe. The Baylor School is working with UT Knoxville to study the effectiveness of these guidelines and where they could improve. Isaiah Kim Martinez has more on how they hope to keep campuses open and limit outbreaks.
Well, this is a new space for Baylor School researchers as they continue to process thousands and thousands of tests each day, many of them at this time being students. Now they're working on a new study to try to keep schools open as much as possible.
Students and teachers have taken measures for safety.
Well, I sit in an auditorium that's made for probably 90 people and have a class of 18.
Whether it be social distancing or wearing masks at schools like UT Chattanooga. But how well are they working?
We do see evidence, though, that masks really work.
And are there more effective protocols we could use on campuses?
And it was to address that specific question, like which one of these kind of non-medical interventions is the most important for helping, decrease the spread of the transmission of the virus.
Dr. Elizabeth Forrester and other researchers here at Baylor School are collaborating with UT Knoxville to answer this. They're working on a study focused on students and their patterns. Baylor students ages 12 to 19 can volunteer to get tested consistently. They'll record and submit any symptoms each day. And researchers will survey their daily habits, including which COVID-19 guidelines they follow.
To, basically say, okay, is it social distancing? Is it hand washing? Is it mask? Is it behavior outside of campus?
Dr. Forrester says they'll also look into other factors like being involved in athletics or smoking and how that could affect how we limit spread. I'm told there's a clear goal here.
We just hope that we are able to reveal something that's applicable outside of this campus.
Keeping schools open and free from outbreak as much as possible. Reporting in Chattanooga, I'm Isaiah Kim Martinez, News Channel 9.
Baylor School scientists say this study likely will go into the winter and possibly even the spring as well. They'll continue to focus on testing asymptomatic students to better understand how they can contribute to the spread.